dark round fan. Step 1. Aluminum leaf part. Tear off the blue protective. Peel off the plastic protective film and start installing the base mat. The left and right sides and the 3 holes in the middle are aligned. Finally, the screw is moved from inside to out from the rear hood. Fix the cushion and screwed it tight. Step 4. The rear hood is attached to the motor head. Align with the screw hole. Fix screws. Step 5. Align the car's slot. Tighten the aluminum leaf and screw it in place. 6. Fix the fan leaf screws on the front and back covers the car button is tight. Step 7. Attach the silk print sticker. Finally, try how the fan works.